A home in Brickell let its listing expire on a Thursday. 176 days of not selling. Friday, it was back. Same price, same description, word for word. The public clock now reads 5 days. This is BDR Weekly. Every week, we pull the Florida news that moves money, what our own analysis turned up, and the open houses worth your Saturday. Subscribe now, and this finds you every Thursday. Today, 3 headlines. What we learned about how long a house has really been sitting, and 8 doors in Coconut Grove. Stay for the last one. Its counter says 65 days. The truth is 4 years. First, from the real deal. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac just made condo loans harder. Quick reviews are gone. Almost every conventional mortgage now means a full look at the books, and reserves have to hit 15% of the yearly budget, up from 10. Florida's post-Surfside laws already force older coastal buildings to fully fund reserves. The loan test moved off the buyer and onto the building. Great credit, big down payment, and the deal can still die on somebody else's budget. That hits sellers in aging buildings that ran reserves thin, and the buyers under contract there. Second, Moishe spent $33 million on downtown Miami property in 10 days, including the historic post office building and office condos at One Flagler. Mana Common now holds more than 80 buildings there. Public records show that post office and its lot last sold for $11 million in 2014. The office condos went for $10.1 million in 2015. 12 years doubled the land. 11 years moved the offices about a quarter. 2 sales is anecdotal, but if you own a small building near Flagler Street, your comps now follow one buyer's plan. Third, Steve Ross, 86, put his son-in-law Daniel Silman in charge of the Miami Dolphins and Hard Rock Stadium. Tom Garfinkel steps down after 13 years. Here is the real estate part. Ross is not leaving that. His firm, Related Ross, says it is putting more than $10 billion into South Florida, and most of it lands in Palm Beach County. A builder that size sets the pace for everyone near it. If you own land in Wellington waiting to sell, that pipeline is your clock. Our own work. This week, we rebuilt the listing history behind every home in Biscayne Park. Days on market is not a selling clock. It is a relisting clock, and it resets every time a listing comes off and goes back on. In Biscayne Park, 11 homes still unsold have been cycling for a median of 880 days. One went under contract in 9 days, on its 5th try since 2023, and closed 10.3% below its first price. 11 homes is a small sample, so call it directional. You cannot get that off a listing page. It only knows the current try. Digging back to the owner's first list date is the work. Subscribe, and you never have to go looking for it. Now, this weekend, 8 open houses, all in Coconut Grove, Saturday the 8th and Sunday the 9th of August. Addresses, times, and route are in the description and on our site. Not one of the 8 is waterfront, and 8 houses is not a read on the whole Grove. Pick a side in the comments. Do you go in low on a seller already down 23% who watched one listing die, or pay up for the house nobody has turned down yet? Then name the neighborhood we run next. Door 1, 2765 Brickell Court. Gated, private, fully renovated. Our data says the seller started at $6.9 million in February, cut twice, let it expire in July, then refiled the next day at the same price with the same description. Real time on market, 184 days, down 23%. On a house they bought for just under $1.7 million 6 years ago. Not waterfront. The reset changed nothing. We are going in to ask where 677 square feet came from. Door 2, 3310 Elizabeth Street. The only honest clock on the tour. 23 days shown, 23 days real, no realists. A 1927 bungalow sold on this lot for $350,000 in 2018. The same lot sold again as empty land for $900,000 in 2024. It now asks $2.99 million, not waterfront. Nobody has said no to this price yet, so the seller is untested, not strong. We check the finished square footage against the approved plans. Door 3, 2100 South Miami Avenue, 7.85 million, counter reading 65 days. Our data shows the same owner listing this lot in November of 2022 at 6.5 million, promising the house by February of 2024. Canceled after 189 days. Back in April at 8.9 million, expired in 41 days, relisted the same day. Not waterfront. Next Thursday, we settle a call. We show what happened. Before the weekend, go walk these doors. Route is on our site. Watching after. The walkthroughs and the grades are coming. If you are buying or selling here, this is the same work we point at one deal. Every agent leaves a record. How long their listings really sat. How often they cut. Where the last price landed against the first. We read that against what you want. Then stay in as your analyst while your agent runs the deal. Start on our website. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call. We are licensed in Florida and California.